In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to add control center button on iPhone screen so that when you click this button, it's automatically gonna pull down the control center. Now, this feature is actually provided by Apple and the proper term for this is assistive touch. And this is how you can do it. Go to your settings. From here, scroll down to accessibility and then go over to touch. Now here we have something called assistive touch. Just go ahead and click on it and turn it on. Now this is mostly for phones that have trouble with the screen, so like the screen doesn't work properly, then you can just turn on this option and it can pretty much do everything. So just go ahead and turn it on. Now when I click on this thing, as you can see, I have many options including control center. So if I click on that, the control center is gonna appear. Now let's say you want to click on this button and you don't want this menu to open, but rather the control center directly opening. Well, for that, you're gonna click on the single tab right there and then click on control center. Now if I click on this thing, what's gonna happen is the control center pops up as soon as I click on it. Okay, so there I go, click on it and control center pops up. So that's how easy it is to do this thing. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.